I'm Cedra, a jewelry designer. In this series, we're learning matrix step by step, and this is episode 14 of the beginner's course. If you're into jewelry design, you're in the right place. Extrude normal to surface is used to give thickness to a curve on a 3D surface, and it does so along the surface's normal perpendicular direction. So when you have a curve on a surface and use this command, the shape extrudes straight out from the surface, following its curvature, creating raised or engraved patterns on curved surfaces, perfect for detailed jewelry designs, making volumetric forms that perfectly follow the shape of the surface. Unroll Surface lets you flatten a curved surface into a 2D shape. This way, you can see exactly what that curved surface would look like if it were laid flat. It's very useful for cutting patterns or preparing for physical fabrication. Turning curved surfaces into flat 2D layouts for cutting or engraving. Perfect for jewelry designed to preview how curved pieces will look when unrolled. Useful for organic forms, patterns, or decorative work on curved surfaces. The Soft Edit tool in Rhino lets you edit curves or surfaces smoothly and gradually. Normally, when you move a control point, only that point changes. But with Soft Edit, the nearby points are also adjusted softly, so the shape stays smooth and natural. The farther a point is from the one you moved, the less it will change, adjusting overall shape without sharp breaks. Designing organic, flowing forms. Perfect for creating soft, elegant curves in jewelry design. The cutting plane tool in Rhino creates a flat surface that acts as a cutting or section plane. You can use it to trim objects, create or set up for other operations like Boolean split or surface intersection. Cutting objects in half or specific sections. Creating cross-section views for jewelry or product design. Preparing for Boolean operations or precise trimming.